Kevin is very technical.
Oh, right.
Loads of cabling still to do. I've got to. It's all a mess at the moment because I've got to shorten all the cables for it.
Okay.
But,
What was this van before then?
I think it was some sort of builder's van, but
Very tidy,
it
though.
was very tidy. It was, yeah, very tidy.
Thing is, though, if you couldn't do it yourself, it would be quite costly, wouldn't it?
Oh god, yeah, I wouldn't be able to afford
You wouldn't be able to do it, would you?
No. So then I had one before that was already built, and the problem with it was that when things went wrong, I didn't have a clue how to fix it because I didn't build it.
You don't know
I
where it
didn't
was?
know where anything went. No.
Don't know where the cables were or anything?
No, that's it. So I was completely lost. So I'd rather do it myself. So at least
yeah.
when it goes wrong, I know how to fix
You
it.
know where.
That's the theory.
Yeah.
I'll show you what I'm doing on the board. I've got electric mirror because obviously you can't see through a van.
Oh,
So
okay.
I've made an electric mirror so I can see all the traffic behind me and all that sort of thing when I'm driving along. And when I take it into reverse,
What, with the curtain down?
yeah, the curtain's right across there.
Ah, right.
So I've got no windows in the back either. So
Oh, haven't you?
no.
Ah, right.
So Kevin can see, but he's still got
I
it.
can still see all the,
Ah, right. That's
traffic.
clever.
And when I change it into reverse gear, you see that little black lump in the middle?
Yeah.
That's a camera looking right downwards on the
At the
ground.
back.
And I see the tow bar, so I can literally go that close to a vehicle parking.
Right.
Yeah.
But they wouldn't like that if they couldn't get out.
Definitely not. Definitely
Kevin
not.
parks up behind you.
Naughty. Whoa.
I'm using old the box things that they use
For cabling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The
Stop
things-
them damaging.
That's it. Yeah. So
Yeah.
These were on the handles of those bikes and that.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah.
guys got.
Yeah,
And I've
yeah,
just
yeah.
sprayed them black, and
So that they don't shaft the thing.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So most of it's going to be 12 volt. But
Right.
The big blue box I had in there, that will be coping with 240 volts. So that's
Right.
So it converts it so that
Yeah.
you can have household stuff as well.
Oh,
so,
okay.
yeah. Some.
What's this? Transformer?
Yeah, that's for linking to the that links to the solar panels,
Right.
and then it goes out of here into there, and that converts it into the 12 volt. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
whatever voltage you got on your solar panels, that will sort it out for you.
And what's this? A variation?
That's just me cut off. So if I've got to turn everything
Yeah.
off straight away,
Yeah.
so that will turn off my solar panels.
Yeah.
That will turn off all my other 12 volt
Yeah.
system. And I'm gonna get another one for my 240 volt.
Yeah.
Just emergency cut-offs. Various YouTube channels.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've got no skill. I'm literally just learning.
Really?
As I go along. Yeah.
Kevin's got amazing learning skills.
I thought you knew what you were doing.
I haven't got a bloody clue.
Kevin's learning it on the job.
I literally am. I'm learning a bit at a time. So this guy
What?
is fixing that together, and I'm doing the.
And what
the
you
same on
watching?
that. Explorer's Life.
Ah,
He's,
there you
fixing
go.
his,
Really?
Yeah, so
You amaze
Kevin
me,
Kevin
right?
learns on the
I
go.
thought you were...
No, I ain't got a clue. I've never even done DIY in my life.
Really?
Yeah, I've learnt everything off of probably
Right.
about 4 YouTubers, including Mel. I've got Mel, Greg Virgo, Explorer's Life, and I can't remember the other guy's name, an American guy. But yeah, between those four, I've
Really?
learnt everything I've learnt on
Really?
this so far. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
amazed.
Yeah. Just slot straight in.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm
It's amazing.
gonna be making a template of it, and then I'm gonna start selling the templates of it on eBay.
So what's that panel there? An escape route
That,
in
no,
the
that's
roof?
that's a skylight.
That's this one
Yeah.
here. Yeah, that's my my skylight. So I've got those. So I've got 2 of those. So I've got I can change them to suck air in or blow
Oh,
air out.
really?
So
Keep your
I
ventilation.
normally have one
Really?
one sucking it in, the other one blowing it out, sort of thing.
Oh, right. Fair enough.
Circulation, airflow keeps the van nice and cool.
Yeah.
Kevin's the security
I've-
tech guy.
I've been burgled before, so I don't want that to happen again. So
You've been burgled?
yeah.
What, with the van?
Yeah, was it? I when I first got it, before I had any cameras, I had all my tools stolen. Just as I was just getting going, because I didn't.
Where
have
was
any-
this then?
In Wellingborough, Northamptonshire.
Oh.
So next thing I did, I went and got good security cameras, and then when somebody came to burgle me again, I caught them middle of the night. So.
Really?
Yeah, Kevin's shown us the footage.
Oh.
It's scary. Yeah.
Yeah, he had balaclava on and everything.
Really?
Yeah, he went there.
So was he caught?
Well, I want to know if he wanted to game around us, but he didn't seem keen.
Kevin chased him with a bat.
He ran off. He ran off down the road.
It wasn't the same person.
It could well have been. I've no idea who the first person was. You see, so I bet you it was though.
So where was it? Where were you with the van then?
I was parked outside my house. He managed to get in. So,
Yeah.
Dear.
yeah, and I caught some school kids a couple of months after that.
Really?
Yeah, I went in the house because the phone was ringing. Answered the phone. As I was on the phone, I could see through the windows 2 school kids just gone in the back of the van. So I managed to get them as well, and took them to their head teacher, and I think he sorted them out. So all got sorted.
It's not nice when you get your stuff. Did it take
Well,
much?
no, the kids didn't.
No, the other people.
The first guy did. He literally took about 1,000 quid's worth of
Well,
tools that bought and paid for.
it's hard time, isn't it? You know, it's somebody come along and take your bread and butter.
Yeah, it's one of them things. Unfortunately,
No.
I've got trackers in it and everything now. So
Yeah.
even if somebody took the van,
Have you got it on your phone? If you're away from the phone.
yeah, I've got so much security on it now.
Best, and
Good to see you.
when you finish it, I'd like to see it.
Yeah, definitely. And Monty's made himself at home.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, he has as well. Gosh, he's like, I'm just waiting here.
Yeah.
Is it cushion?
Come on,
Oh,
man.
yeah, it is a cushion as well.
Yeah, it's one of the
That's
Yeah.
funny.
one of me kneeling mats.
Oh, dear. Come on then, monster. Let's leave Kevin to it.
Oh, it's another big van. Isn't it? Big vans, aren't they?
Yeah, these are extra long wheelbases. Yeah. You can get a lot in, can't you? This was a minibus.
Eh?
This used to be a minibus.
Used to be a minibus.
Yeah.
All this has been put in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the paneling. Looks nice.
Yeah, cheers. It's pricey, but it's
Well,
so
you only-
durable.
Yeah, but the thing is, you only do it once.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And everything is built so that I can take it out and refit and access and modify. And it'll look as good in theory now as it does in 5 years' time. That
Yeah.
board, but also
It'll keep up its modern look, would it?
yeah, hopefully hold its value. And it's the fact that you've got to learn and cover so many different bases and skills. You know, there's woodwork, there's metalwork, there's electrics, there's plumbing, there's locksmithing if you want to. You know,
But
and-
also, you've got to make sure when you put it under the floor that you've got access and know where everything is.
yeah, doing it yourself
Yeah.
is fantastic because exactly that. You know
Yeah,
how it
yeah,
all
yeah.
fits together when it does break eventually. Yeah, you need to get this step
Oh.
out. This little step is the bane of my life.
So, what's it? Because it's run down.
Yeah, the batteries probably need replacing, so it takes a lot of voltage. It'll reach halfway, not be pushing enough, so it
right,
thinks,
yeah.
oh, I've hit resistance, I better go back in.
If you're driving, the engine's running, it'd be fine.
It's all right, yeah, but even I think there's like some sort of power threshold where I've even reconditioned these batteries completely, and it worked fine for a few weeks, but then it's still not. It goes back to it after a while.
You have
so-
to have that really, because it's a big step otherwise, isn't it?
Yeah, these are quite high vans.
Yeah.
This is 4.5. This one.
4.5.
Yeah, so you need a C1 license.
Oh, really?
So you can do up to 7.5 tons then.
Really?
Yeah, which is an extra expense, but it means I can graduate to something bigger.
So you can't drive it
eventually.
under car licence then?
No, you can't. So I've had to get a C1 license.
Is that every year or every?
No,
That's it.
It lasts indefinitely once you got it. Yeah.
Okay. So because of me, I've been driving since I was 4. I wouldn't have to have a test, would I?
No, I think you'd have. Don't they call it? Is it grandfather rights
Yeah,
or
thanks.
something? Yeah. No, I think is that what it's called?
I think there's something that if you've taken your test before 1970 something,
Yeah.
which you did,
Yeah.
you don't have to retest.
Yeah. Don't quote me on that because I only read what applies to me. So
Yeah.
It's just what it
think
says on the
I
DVLA.
think it hits a point when you get to a certain age, doesn't it? They
Yeah.
say
You have
at
to go
this
for a
point you'll
medical.
need to do it.
Yeah, just to recheck that you're
Yeah, but
medically
when you make
sound.
your declaration on your form for your license, because I've got to renew it every 3 years, it there states these things must be filled up by law. So you fill in, have you got eyesight problems? Have you got this? Have you got financial cramp? Have you got this?
Financial cramp.
Financial crunch.
So
This is
Everyone's got that.
Yeah.
Everyone's got a financial cramp.
thanks
No,
for
my
looking at it.
pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah, or see you again.
Come back and check on
Yeah,
progress.
Of course I
anytime,
will.
mate.
Yeah, all the best.
All right, man.
Thank you. Right, let's go then, mister.
Well, I've inspected that one, so everything's okay. I can sign it off now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the building?
Yeah. Well, no, that's
It's a bit.
I'll have to chicken out on that one.
Ka-ching, boom.
Exactly.
Oh God, they're all coming out now. Right, let's go say goodbye then.
Yeah.
Oh, you are.
Go on, Monty.